our land is prepared. We have uprooted all the plantain. Everything is done. We now have a very good soil base. Very good soil base here. We have uprooted all the plantains and it's ready for us to bring the greenhouses in. And that is what we are doing. We burnt it a little yesterday, but the covering is good for the snails as well, so we will leave that. And these are the other plantains here. It's a wonderful day, new grand rising. Adios. And this is our irrigation systems, the drip systems.
Portion.
Okay.
And then it goes down there into the solar fruit passes. If when the when you grow, the challenge you get is fungal
infection, because there's going to be a lot of water